Hey guys, welcome back. Today we are going to be putting up some 3-board plank and panel in order to create a catch lane to push the cattle into the barn or the head catcher. As you can see here, we've already got our 8-foot post drove 8 foot apart, and we're going to lay the boards out and start putting them up. And the date down at the bottom left of the screen is incorrect. We did this on January the 20th of 2026. I'm still not sure how to fix that, but I'll try to get it figured out. And here you see we have the boards laid out, and we will be staggering these boards in order to have more strength in our pen. Also, if you've not already checked out the review of our Shaver HD10 post driver, go to my channel and check that out. It's located under the shorts. So now we've got our boards up, and we're going to drag the panels over and put them up. So here we've got our panels going up and putting more steeples in them to make them secure, and it matches the opposite side over here. And this is going to be a great spot to get these cattle crowded into and held before they're pushed over into the working area. And we did equip this with quick latches, and if you've ever worked cattle before, you know that a quick latch is great news, especially when you need to get that gate shut quick and in a hurry. Alright, so now we've got this board and panel completed. So the cattle will be easier to take from this catch lot here or this catch lot here, and then crowded into the working area. Crowded, and then sorted into the catching area or loaded onto the trailer. And as always guys, like and subscribe for more content.